In today's video, we are going to explore the brand new round text feature in Photoshop 2026 using dynamic text editing. I have already typed some text. Now select the text. Then go to the toolbar and choose the text tool. You will notice that new dynamic text tool icon. Click on the circle option and instantly your text transforms into a perfect round shape. Next, go to the window menu and open properties. You will find more customization option for your text design. Now let's check out method 2. Select the text again. Click on the dynamic text tool and choose Art. For another text layer, select Bow from the dynamic text option. Now resize and position both text effects just like this to create an awesome typography style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.